Kenyan businesses focusing on solar energy are banking on business-to-business deals with their counterparts in Europe and Asia to secure quality and affordable renewable energy products for Kenyans. This emerged during the 9th Oil and Gas Africa Power Energy International Trade Exhibition in Nairobi that has attracted 200 local and foreign exhibitors.
Erratic and expensive electricity supply has seen the number of Kenyans embracing solar energy products increase.
Affordable and clean energy is a critical consideration for all venturing into power and energy sector. Kenya has one of the most developed power sectors in sub-Saharan Africa. Kenya is among the leading sub-Saharan nations in power and energy exploitation and exploration.
However, increased electricity connection, levies on solar products and costly solar batteries have slowed the pace at which Kenyans are embracing the renewable energy products. To correct this, Kenyan businesses hope that business-to-business deals with their counterparts in countries that have advanced in manufacturing of solar products would help restore the pace of adoption of solar products.
Kenya, Indian industry stands ready to continue to partner their Kenyan colleagues at the industry level, and this event that we are very lucky to be part of. I am sure that the interactions that we are going to have in the framework of this particular expo is going to further enhance international partnership.
At the ongoing 9th Oil and Gas Africa and Power Energy International Trade Exhibition in Nairobi that has attracted exhibitors from Africa, Asia and Europe.
Solar photovoltaics are now the cheapest power source in most countries, and renewables yield 3 times more jobs than the fossil fuel sector.
This comes at a time when Kenya has set the target of having 100% clean energy by the year 2030 and to achieve 100% access to clean cooking by the year 2028. Currently, renewable energy accounts for 73% of Kenya's installed power, while 90% of electricity is in use from green sources such as geothermal, wind, solar and hydroelectric power. Regina Manyara reporting for Prime Edition.